Hello, my name is Wolfgang Römer. I'm Head of Product at Flowcate. The DeepHub is the premier Omlogs Hub implementation. The DeepHub allows for the simple utilization of any locating technology. With one single standard API, you can consume location data from indoor tracking technologies like ultra-wideband, RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy or Wi-Fi, and GPS, for example, for outdoor tracking. The DeepHub can be used across all industries and in many use cases where locating data is relevant. Examples are asset tracking, fleet management, factory automation. The DeepHub complies to the Omlogs standard. Test drive the DeepHub with this opportunity to download it directly from the PLCnext Store.